Welcome, guys. Today I'm gonna be taking the bus to school for the first time. I haven't taken the bus in like 5 years, so here we go. Let's do this. Good morning, guys. So today I'm not driving and I'm not Ubering. I'm gonna be taking the um, bus for the first time in 5 years. So let's do this. So yeah, I decided to take the bus today because they gave us like a U pass that is included in our package, right? So I'm like, days that I don't have to take the bus. I mean, days that I don't have to drive, I'm gonna take the bus. I'm gonna give it a try here. So this is the schedule. Let me see. Now it's after 9, so 9:19. Woo! 9:06. Let's see what time it is. I'm gonna check what time it is to see what time. Hold on, I have to wait for the bus. So every time you get on the bus, you need to tap your card and or pay cash, whatever. So how much does it cost for each ride, and how long does each ride takes? So as you can see, adult pay 380 if you have like a U pass, a press store, whatever, and it's $5 more every time you pay cash. Thank God children are free under 12. Okay, guys, I thought I got off the bus just now at Baseline Station. As you can see, the carriage is over here. So I got on that bus at 9:18, and now it's let's see at what time. 9:35. I don't know how much minutes that would have to calculate, but it's pretty much like um 7-8 minutes drive if I'm driving my own vehicle from my house to here. But you know where I go when I take public transport, it's gonna be a little bit longer, right? Oh my god. We had lots of snow last night, and I'm telling you, outside is so slushy. Oh my god, guys, it is just 5 o'clock and it's so dark here right now. And I just finished class and I'm trying to figure out where to catch my bus to go home. I don't know. Maybe I have to look into this whole parking spot at school because right now for me to go take the bus, I'm so tired, I'm so exhausted. I had 2-3 hours class, so each class were 3 hours each. I'm exhausted, I'm tired, and now for me to go to the bus stop to just stand there and wait, it's too much. Guys, yes, I had a long day at school, but it started out good. You know how it go? You always start out fresh and nice. As you guys can see, I'm wearing my sweater that I bought at a bookstore. Oh yes, so warm, so nice and comfy. Love, love, love it. But yeah, at the end of the day, I was drained. I was tired. And remember, I'm also pregnant. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. I know it was short, but I was just pretty much showing you guys what it's like taking the public transportation and how much it costs. Like and subscribe. Bye.